Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to talk to you about male sexual dysfunction called erectile dysfunction, also known as impotence. I'm going to be using the Complete Family Health Encyclopedia by the British Medical Association, and in it says that impotence is the inability to achieve or maintain erection. Impotence is the most common male sexual disorder, affecting most men at some time in their lives. So, erectile dysfunction in most cases is a very temporary condition. In most cases, it doesn't require any medical intervention whatsoever. It doesn't require any invasive surgery, and it doesn't require taking any dangerous drugs. However, if the condition persists for more than 3 months, I'd highly recommend you to go and seek medical advice. Did you know that 1 in 3 men are affected by this condition at some time or another in their lives worldwide? And 1 in 4 divorce cases are caused by the inability of the husband to satisfy his wife. I didn't know that. I was quite shocked when I heard that data. In America, for instance, 35 million men suffer from this condition annually. So how does having erectile dysfunction make you feel? It makes a man feel severely depressed. It makes him feel very frustrated. It makes him have low self-esteem. It makes him feel fatigued or stressed out. But what causes ED, erectile dysfunction? Psychological factors cause ED. Some of them are anxiety, guilt oriented from childhood, severe depression, psychological trauma, and unresolved conflict. In 10% of men, it is caused by physical disorders such as poor circulation due to diabetes mellitus, or a disorder of the endocrine system, heart disease, or even high cholesterol. It may be caused by taking various drugs, antidepressant drugs, diuretic drugs, antipsychotic drugs, antihypertensive drugs. And it can also be caused by the onset of age, for instance, obesity, smoking, physical injury, excessive alcohol, lack of exercise, poor nutrition, which is caused by lack of vitamins, minerals, and the essential enzymes which men need. So what I'm going to show you today is a remedy that you can do yourself at home, and you know, it's simple and easy to do. First of all, I'm going to use carrots. I'm going to use an egg, and also for the first recipe I'm going to use some clear honey. So the first part is half a bowl of chopped carrots. Okay, that should be enough. And then a half-boiled egg. You don't want the egg too hard, just, you know, a soft half-boiled egg. You mix that together. And then you need 2 tablespoons of honey. Okay. And then you just mix it very well. Keep mixing it. Mix. Lift it and mix it together. Just mix it very well, and then there's the mixture there, and you should eat this for 9 weeks, every day for 9 weeks. So that's the chopped carrots, half-boiled egg, and 2 tablespoons. Okay. And the second recipe I'm going to show you, you'll need a teaspoon of ginger. And then you need 2 teaspoons of honey. There you go. And then there's another spoonful. And then you mix it well. You just keep mixing it well. Keep mixing. Mix it well. Let's try and show you there. Mix it well. Mix it well. And you'll be taking this mixture for 3 times a day for 9 weeks. So that's your ginger and honey mixture, and that will boost your blood flow. Okay. Something else that you should do as well is eat raw garlic daily. Okay. You should try and incorporate more raw garlic into your diet, because raw garlic contains allicin, and this is a very important ingredient for increasing the flow of your blood. Eat about 4 cloves of garlic a day. Crush them. Don't cook them at all. I know you'll be tempted to cook it, but don't cook it, because you'll lose that allicin ingredient that's very vital to what we're trying to achieve. Okay, so that's something else you can do to help with this condition. And the last thing that you can do is you can use pomegranate juice. I've got some here. Use 8 ounces of pomegranate juice for 4 weeks. So you just I'll just measure it out. I think that's about 8 let's see, 8 ounces. And you can just pour your pomegranate juice in there. Okay. And then you can also use ginseng, because if you take in a study they found that they did with men, that men who took 3 grams of ginseng every day, their condition improved. At least 2/3 of those men, their condition improved. So what you could do, you could just add a pipette of ginseng to your pomegranate juice, but try to take 3 grams of it every day, and you can drink that, and it tastes okay. It's nice. It's okay. Okay, so that tastes very nice actually. And another thing you can do is to work your pelvic floor muscles. Those muscles that you use to control urination. So say every time you wanna go to the toilet, you just have to try and stop the flow of urine in the midst of it. And if you can try to do that at least 18 times a day, that will strengthen those muscles, and that will help improve the condition as well. And just lastly, as I always say, you know, do your own research.